Hello everyone. In this lesson of the tutorial we will learn how to create interactive chart with Combobox. So if you see that I have created one area chart here which is connected with this Combobox, and I have used the same data set which we have used in our lesson 1 and 2. The only changes, we have data here from 2005 till 2014 for 10-year data by the same sources: lighting, appliances, industry, transport and agriculture. So the moment I do some changes in this Combobox, for an example, if I select lighting and appliances, this chart change into the lighting and appliances. And I have also created one reference table here which is completely dependent to on our Combobox. So when I select transport, this table change into the transport, and this chart also change into the transport, and this chart we have created with the help of this reference table. So the topics which we will cover in this exercise is how to create Combobox in Excel and the use of HLOOKUP and index function, because this reference table which we have created is dependent on the index and HLOOKUP function. So now let's go ahead and do our exercise. Now let's first I have created this sheet named interactive 1 to perform the steps. So now let me first copy the data and paste it into the sheet 1. Press Ctrl V. Let me also copy this reference table and paste it into the sheet name interactive 1. Okay, so now if you see here, we have a hash value error in the formula. We can ignore it, we will work on it later. Now let's move to our first topic, how to create Combobox in Excel. To create Combobox in Excel, we have to click on Developer tab. If you don't have Developer tab in Excel 2010, you have to click on File option, click on Options, under Customize Ribbon, you will get this checkbox named Developer tab. Click on this checkbox and press OK. So now I have this Developer tab. To create a Combobox, under Developer tab, under Control Panel, click on this Insert box. The second control we have here is Combobox. Click on this second control and draw it here. So we will get the Combobox. This Combobox is blank. So to add the item in our Combobox, we have to select the Combobox by right clicking on it, then select the Format Control option. A Format Control panel will appear. So the first reference box which we have here is input range. In input range you can select your 4 options, your 4 data consumption sources from your data table. The second option is cell link. For cell link you can select any cell randomly. So I am selecting here A19, and to give a cool look I am selecting this checkbox which is showing 3D shading. Press OK. So now if I click on this Combobox, we will get 4 options. If I select industry, this cell link will become 2, and if I select transport, the cell link value become 3, because transport is the third item of your input range. So cell link gives the position whichever item you select in your Combobox. So now let me blank this reference table and make it dependent on our data table. So the first in the cell B19 I have to pick the category. To pick the category we have to apply the formula index. To use the formula index, press equal index bracket start. The first parameter which we have here is array, so let me select input range as an array, then press comma. Second parameter is row number, so I am selecting cell link as in row number because cell link is completely dependent on the combo box. Press bracket close, press enter. See, so if I select industry, this category cell number B19 will become industry. So if I select transport, this will become transport. In the same way, let's pick up the values for transport here in this reference table. To pick up the values we have to use the HLOOKUP function. Let me write HLOOKUP function here. The first parameter we have here is lookup value, so the lookup value is 2005. My 2005 is a lookup value. Table array, this is my table array. Let me freeze it. To freeze it we have to press F4 to apply $, comma. The third parameter which we have here is row index number. So I want to make this HLOOKUP function is dependent on the combo box, and so we have to enter row index number, the cell link value. But as I see, transport is 4th row of my table array, 1 2 3 4, and the combo box is giving 3, so we have to manually add 1. And the range lookup, this should be false for exact match, and press enter. See, so now in 2005 by transport sources we have energy consumption of 2364. See, we have in our data. Now we can track this formula by selecting this square box fill handle. Oops, let me see what I missed. Okay, so we have to also freeze this A19, this A19 which is cell link. Let me press F4. If you freeze any address in the formula, once you drag it, that address don't get changed. So this will become A19 for in the all cells, and we will get the data here. So the moment when I change and when I select lighting and appliances in the combo box, we will get the lighting and appliances data. Now with the help of this reference table we can create our chart. So I am just selecting our data, click on the insert tab, under chart panels click on the area option, select 2D area chart. So we got our chart area. Now if I select industry, this chart will become industry chart. If I select transport, this will become transport chart. So the topics which we have important learn here is use of index function, use of HLOOKUP function, and the point to remember is HLOOKUP and index function is dependent on the cell link, and the cell link is the value, the item which we select from the combo box. See, this is the first answer of the lighting appliance. So this is the first interactive chart which we have created in our tutorial.